Hey guys, another tea that we drink after giving birth is called Teti Bom. It looks like mint, so and also some ginger in there. It's really good. It makes your basically your blood flow, and also it doesn't have a bad smell, so you feel clean basically. So like when my mom buy them for me, she buys a lot. So what I do, I wash them, cut them, and then put them in the freezer. That way I can, like they don't spoil, because they tend to spoil easily. Like if you don't make the tea with them. And it's really good. You put some sugar in it. It's sweet. My husband likes it because it's sweet. He doesn't like tea normally because like bitter tea, but this kind, it's sweet. It's really good.